In today's video, I'll show you how to block ads on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. So let's start. To remove ads from your Android phone and block pop-up ads for free without using any ads blocker app, follow these steps. First, open the settings on your Android phone. You can just drag down the screen and select the gear icon at the top left corner of your device. Find more connections on your phone and click on it. After that, tap on Private DNS. A menu will pop up where you should select Private DNS Provider host name. Next, just type this and tap on Save. Libre DNS is a public DNS provider that blocks Android ads. After making this change, you can just turn on or turn off your Wi-Fi connection or put your phone into airplane mode and wait for 5 seconds to turn it on. Or you can also restart your phone to effectively use DNS. And there you go. You've successfully blocked ads on your Android phone without using any app. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.